Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Fadnavis, it's really a great honor and pleasure to have you here in this very important event. I want to thank the President of the Italian-Indian Chamber of Commerce, Amit Roy, the CEO, Claudio Maffioletti, and all of you. 55 years of activity of this chamber is also the history of the relations between Italian and Indian companies in a way. Because also for global reason, political reason, I think Europe and India has to find a way to further strengthen, enhance the friendship, the political dialogue, as well as economic cooperation, investment, and trade. So thank you so much for coming here, and I am so honored to leave you the floor to address a few words to our companies. Thank you.
His Excellency, the Ambassador of Italy in India, the Consul General, President of Indo-Italian Chamber of Commerce, Mr. Roy, all the dignitaries present here, the members of the Chamber, ladies and gentlemen, it's absolute honor to be part of this celebration of 5 decades of Indo-Italian business relationship. And I would like to congratulate all the past presidents and the present body of this chamber for such good relationship and maintaining this relationship between the two economies, two countries, and the businesses of two countries. This being a 75th year of Indian independence, we are very happy to celebrate our relationship with the world. And Italy has been a very trusted partner in our growth story. I always say that we Indians love Italian automobile, mopeds, bikes, and of course, the Italian cuisine. And for Maharashtra, I think it has been a very favorite investment destination for Italian businesses, as rightly told that out of around 650 companies which are working in the entire country, 300 companies are located in Maharashtra, and most of them in the belt of Mumbai, Pune, and around that. So I think Mumbai and Pune are second homes for expats and especially the Italian business community. And we want to increase this interaction more. We want it to grow. And with today's celebration, I would like to assure the Indo-Italian business community that our government is committed for business, to help businesses to grow, to handhold them, to troubleshoot if at all there is any trouble. And we are always available for any kind of help that is required for fairness in the business. And I'm sure that Maharashtra, which has always been the manufacturing capital of India and which is absolute growth engine of India with around 15% of GDP contribution in the national GDP and more than 20% of the manufacturing output. This is an absolute growth engine and we want to grow more. In Maharashtra, apart from automobile manufacturing, the Italian companies are also involved in the infrastructure work. And we have very big plans in infrastructure. We are planning to create around 5,000 kilometers of access controlled highways in the state of Maharashtra. We will soon throw open our Nagpur-Mumbai communication super expressway, which will be one of its kind expressway ever built in India. And this will not be just an access control way, but it will be a new economic corridor for Maharashtra, whereby around 14 districts of Maharashtra will be directly connected to JNPT port. JNPT port, which accounts for more than 60% of the container traffic in India. So a huge business arena will be open for development. We are also trying to create a rail connectivity on this road, whereby for the first time we want to run a fast freight train on this road so that the movements of goods will be very fast. Within few hours up to the JNPT port. We are also creating 2 dry ports, one near Nagpur, another near Auric city at Sambhajinagar, Aurangabad. And with all this infrastructure, I think absolutely new opportunities will be opened for the businesses in Maharashtra. Our focus is on innovation. Maharashtra is a startup capital of India. Although there are various destinations in India which claim to be startup capitals, but when we look at the absolute number, out of 80,000 registered startups, around 15,000 are located in the state of Maharashtra, and out of 100 unicorns, 25 are based in Maharashtra, and the number is growing every year. So I think in technology and innovation, we have a huge scope. At the same time, our Prime Minister's dream towards clean energy, Maharashtra wants to be pioneer in that. And we are looking for all the options into clean energy. And I think that will also open new destinations for investment. I'm sure the Italian investors who want to invest in India, they are most welcome to come to the state of Maharashtra. And we promise that it will be a very seamless experience. And if at all you find a speed breaker, there will be no roadblock. There can be a speed breaker, but if at all you find any speed breaker, please get back to us, and we will see to it that the speed breaker is removed. I'm very happy to share that His Excellency the Ambassador has just put in a proposal that we should have a city-to-city relationship between Mumbai and Milan. And that's a great proposal. Thank you, Mr. Ambassador, for such a proposal. Because Milan is also innovation capital, it's a lifestyle capital, it's a great city, and so is Mumbai. So I think with this city-to-city relationship, we will move a step further into solidifying our efforts to bring the business communities together. I would again like to congratulate the Chamber for doing such a great job for last 55 years, and look forward for more and more engagement with the Chamber so as to create more opportunities for the businesses in both countries. Thank you for having me here. Thank you for inviting me. And I was just told that thank you means gracia. Grazia. So grazia. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
56 years is a long time, and actually the Italian Chamber of Commerce in India is the oldest Italian Chamber of Commerce in the Asian continent. Thank you and grazie, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Fadnavis.